Hey, what's up there crew? Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. In this awesome tutorial video, I'm going to show you 8 of my favorite vinyl hacks when working with vinyl decals. Whether you're layering, doing multiple cuts, different issues that you run into when you're working with sign vinyls. 8 of my favorite hacks all in one video right here on one order. So we got this awesome 4-color decal of this Dalmatian here. We're going to make this and I'm going to run through these 8 different hacks that are going to save you time and money. Stick around to see how. Alright, hack number 1, use a cutting mat so you can cut multiple colors at the same time and use small little scraps to maximize all of your material. Okay, so you can see I'm placing my actual vinyl onto my cutting mat here. So the cutting mat has the little 1-inch squares, so you lay the actual cuts out within your software appropriate to where the squares are. So now the vinyl cutter is going to go through and cut these different materials based on the way I have them laid out in the software. And what's awesome about this is a few of these are just scrap vinyls that I had laying around. Now I don't have to use it off of my master roll of all my vinyls and still get the exact same results. Pretty awesome, saves you time, saves you money. Hack number 2, a lot of times when you use a cutting mat and you remove that vinyl, it leaves that paper backing. Check this out. So to avoid the issue a lot of people run into when you peel it off, it leaves that paper backing on your cutting mat and you have to clean it up. And it's just a pain in the butt, right? If you turn your mat over, roll it off of your actual vinyl material, that allows it to come off cleanly so you don't have that mess. Hack number 3, reverse weeding. You gotta try it. Check this out. The reverse weeding hack is one of my favorites. So normally when you have pretty detailed and intricate design and you're just using sign vinyl, it's really hard and a lot of the small little areas pull up. So what you're seeing I'm doing, I'm actually putting on my application tape before I even start weeding this. Then I'll remove the backer from it, and what this does, it allows you to have a sticky backing so the small intricate areas will stay on when you weed it. Hack number 4, everybody needs a light board in their life if you work with vinyl, right? Check this out. So the huge benefit of a light board allows you to see those cut lines, especially when you're doing different sign vinyls, to make it a lot easier to pick out those inside areas. So I got this light board on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. This will save your life when it comes to weeding sign vinyl. Pretty awesome. And check this out with the reverse weeding, how easy this is coming up. Hack number 5. Have a little tool that you can use when you're weeding to get all those small scraps in so you don't lose them, they don't stick to the decal, and it just speeds up your weeding time. So this cool little nail polish holder is awesome for just all those different small little intricate areas when you're weeding. If you hold it in your hand like I have here, as you peel those areas off, you can just drop it into that little holder, and now you don't have those little scraps all over the place. But check this out with the reverse weeding, how easy these little areas are to pick out, and especially this tiny little area of the eyeball right there. That would have never stayed there had I not been using the reverse weeding method. So pretty awesome. You can see the results right here. Hack number 6, parchment paper. You're gonna freaking love this one. I have more tutorials on the YouTube channel about this. It is freaking amazing. Save vinyl, make it easy to layer multiple colors. So the parchment paper for layering sign vinyl is probably my favorite hack. So I've been using this one for years. So check it out. You just sandwich the parchment paper between your materials. You can move it all around. With the light board, you can see right through it perfectly, but you can also see right through it even with just the parchment paper. Once you have it, you just hinge down one of the sides, lift it up, pull the parchment paper down, drop it back, and you have a 2-color design. You can do this with even more colors as well. Hack number 7, sometimes when you reverse weed, you already have the app tape on, but you still need to apply more colors. Check out this little trick to fix that problem. So this is a problem you normally don't even realize you have until you get to it. So as you can see, we did the reverse weeding, so we already had app tape on it. If I pull up the app tape, it pulls up the decal. If you put pressure on your squeegee and then roll it off with your fingers, this is amazing. Look at it. It leaves all of the actual vinyl behind, but just removes the application tape so I can then apply the rest of my vinyl. And then hack number 8, we got the little eyes and the little nose part right there of different colors. We don't want to cut out full size of that vinyl to waste vinyl. We also don't want to use a lot of extra application tape. So I put them both on the same small piece of application tape, apply them, remove it, and then you're good to go. Check it out. So now we're going to finish off this decal. You can see on the same small piece of application tape, I have both the colors, but they aren't lined up perfectly. So what I do is I just push on the actual vinyl, pull that off for the eyes, and the same thing for the nose right here, and then I'll just remove that, and now I have my completed 4-color vinyl design. Grab my application tape again that I had removed, put it back on the full decal, and we now have a finished decal ready to hand to our customer. Pretty amazing. Alright, that's it. How freaking awesome was that? Comment below. Let me know if one of those hacks were new to you. Let me know if you think they're going to help you with your decal business, save you time, save you money and material, which is the goal of this video. But if you did like this, if you know somebody else you think this video can help, please share it with them. Let them know, hey, life-saving vinyl decal hacks right here in this video. So appreciate all of you. Remember, every Monday night, 8 p.m. Eastern time, we do live trainings and we give away a free silhouette cameo. To this date right now, October 21st, we have given away 215 free silhouette cameos. Pretty freaking awesome. And you get a free training in all of that. So please comment below. Let me know if these hacks helped you out. Let me know if you have any questions. I can answer them in there as well. Make sure to subscribe. Click that little bell notification right next to it so you get a notification each time we go live or create an awesome video like this to help your business. Click that like button if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys soon. Later.